back to another episode of where I cook and you watch. Today we've been making teriyaki grilled chicken, lime and cilantro rice, and stir-fry vegetables. For all the ingredients, look in the description down below. For the cilantro and lime rice, we'll be adding 4 cups of rice, the juice of 3 limes, a pinch of salt, and roughly chopped cilantro. So we're going to stir it, and so all the flavors can have a party in your mouth later. And when it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down to low heat and cover it. For the vegetable stir fry, we're going to add rice vinegar, fish sauce, sesame oil, crushed red peppers, soy sauce, and brown sugar. For our stir-fried vegetables, we're going to add sesame oil. Then we're going to add some garlic. And we're going to stir and let that simmer for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So this has been simmering for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add our ingredients and let that simmer for another 2 minutes. We're going to add our cornstarch slurry, and it should be a minute or so until it thickens. Now that our sauce is nice and thick, we're going to add our vegetables, and I'm going to need the help of my dad to toss these vegetables in. So now that the vegetables are lost in the sauce, we're going to put it on medium heat and cover it for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to add our teriyaki chicken to the grill until it reaches 165 internal. So now that our chicken is on the grill, we're going to close it and flip the chicken when needed. So now that our teriyaki chicken is done, we're gonna serve ourselves. First goes on the vegetables, then the chicken, then the rice. Time for the taste test. It's on the spicy side, but it is very delicious. And the lime and cilantro rice, you can definitely taste the lime. Now, time for one of my favorites, and I think it's going to be the best one. is the best one. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm going to enjoy this dinner with my family.